In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the time and date on your laptop. Now, I'm using Windows 11, so if you're on a laptop and you're using Windows 11, this video will be for you. So go ahead and click on the search icon or the start icon, and then you need to head over to settings. So you may have settings pinned. If not, just go to the search bar and type in settings, then click enter. Now, once you've done that, you'll be on the home window. Now, what you need to do is you need to head over to time and language. So click on that, and then here you'll see date and time. Now, if you click on date and time, you may have this setting turned on, which sets the time zone automatically. And then the second one down sets the time automatically. And then you've got here show time and date in the system tray. Now, if you wanted to do this manually, you could turn both of these off. Now, you can then choose your time zone. And then if you wanted to set the time and date manually, click change. It will then open this window where you can then change the date, you can then change the time, and whenever you've made those changes, you can click change and those will update, and that time will stay as long as you have set time zone automatically and set time automatically turned off. But that's how you would do it. Any updates will then take place. You can click sync now if you want to as well. But that's how you can change the date and time manually on Windows.